Hi guys. So ingani ora na pagputol guys oh.
Putol na niya.
So muatubang ka sa amin. And then you cut this like that, like this. Ay. Oh. Mura kong nimbata, charot. And then you get the hair of background, back up, and then cut down. If you can see, baka see. Again, you get the hair of the back and you cut. Oh, wow. Yung bata ko sa kong buhok. Oh, guwapa kay ko sa kong buhok. Guwapa kay ko sa kong buhok, guys. And then, again and again, you can get the hair at the back of your back, at the back of your lah, taasan na ni good lah, patay.
Sakto naman.
Uy, very sayang.
Sakto naman kataas. Galing ko.
And then again, you can get
Oh my God.
the hair of the back of your background and then cut until you die.
You die. Nantawa sa likod. Kibasig di tupong. Na.
Wapa na man. Aral na tiyo. And then you get your hair at the back. Ger, pagpuyo da, Ger.
Wala na tiyong gigir. Yan. Pinutol niya lahat yung buhok niya. Yan.
Diyan na libutan tiyo. Ako na ibitay rin tiyo. Gara be.
Yan guys. Pinutol niya lahat guys.
Awa, diha kaya ako sa nantiwason. Oh my God. I don't know what is eating today to cut my hair. Oh my God. Oh no. Very short hair. Oh wow. I'm very so beautiful of my hair today. Oh my goodness. I'm so teenager like that. Like you. I'm very, oh wow. I'm very beautiful.
Ano siya to? Asa sa likod ron?
Wala pa na human.
Wala sa lang. Gamay na lang.
Oh wow, I'm so beautiful. Okay. Bye. Oh, you look beautiful and baby. Sweet 16.